Take out a scratch piece of paper or open your spiral to a piece of paper. And I'm going to also ask you to take out your map in your packet from problem 1.3. So looking at your map or your packet, I've got a couple questions to ask. Number one, if Stewart and Bach combine their land, what fraction of a section do they own together? Number one, if Stewart, so here's Stewart, and Bach combine their land, combine, what math operation does combine mean? If they combine their land, what fraction of a section do they own together? Number two, Foley and Berg combine their land. What fraction of a section do they own together? Number two, Foley and Berg combine their land. What fraction do they own together? And number three, how much more land does Lapp own than Wang? How much more land does Lapp own than Wang? I went pretty fast on these. You can look over at the Do Now board, and I've got them written out as well.